These are some of the errors we often encounter with the Play Store. It often happens that it gets stuck on the logo, it doesn't turn on, it restarts, it closes and then reopens. If that's your case, don't worry because today we'll have the solution to fix and recover from this problem. Sometimes it's an operating system error, or sometimes an application conflicts and suddenly closes when we try to open it. If this is your case, don't worry because in this video tutorial we'll explain the solution. What we're going to do is go to Settings. Once in Settings, we'll look for the Applications option. Then, once we're in Applications, we'll look for the Play Store. We'll find it here. Then, once we're here, we'll find everything that appears here. We can also do it directly from the application. Tap and hold it, tap and hold it, tap on Information. Here, we'll see this option below. Delete. We'll clear the cache and then tap on Clear Data. Then we'll clear the data, close everything. And then we'll go to close the tab and then we'll open it again. Sometimes this takes a few seconds. Pay close attention. Here we can see that we can now enter. Let's load the data. Here we have all our results. Ready to use correctly.